What's the meaning of alehouse? Alehouse. 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 Alehouse.
An alehouse is a type of establishment that primarily serves alcoholic drinks, particularly beer. Traditionally, alehouses were casual places where people would gather to drink, socialize, and sometimes even conduct business. They were often located near factories, docks, or other places where workers would gather after a long day on the job. Today, alehouses are still popular in many parts of the world, although they have evolved to include a wider range of beverages and often offer food as well. Overall, an alehouse is a place where people can relax, unwind, and enjoy a cold drink with friends.